Welcome to another edition of On the Air with Mark. So exploding pagers. Yes, we've all seen the news. I'm pretty sure you've seen a bunch of videos out there on this, but now here I am doing my own twist on it. So exploding pagers, man, I haven't seen pagers in forever. So now one fellow made an excellent point saying that, can you imagine being a neighbor or you're having a friend, then you're standing by them, then boom, but there goes their sausage. And also you finding out that your friend slash neighbor is a terrorist. Okay, so let's get into it. Source: CNN. The Hezbollah vows retaliation against Israel for deadly pager explosions. So the pagers that were sent out, they targeted hundreds uh, hundreds of members of the militant group Hezbollah. So Hezbollah bought the pagers that exploded in recent months, according to a Lebanese security source. Those devices detonated simultaneously, and after receiving a message, explosives were planted next to the battery in each pager, as well as a switch for remote detonation. Wow. So the pagers exploded hours and after Israel's Security Cabinet voted to add a war objective to its conflict with Hezbollah, which has seen months of cross-border attacks. Wow. So the devices used were made by a European distributor, Taiwanese pager manufacturer says. So wow. So so Israel had explosives inside a batch of pagers ordered from Gold Apollo and destined for Hezbollah. Wow, that's crazy. So man, this really makes you wonder, doesn't it? Really makes you wonder. With all these EVs, phones, watches, I mean, sure, that makes you wonder. They could probably do that with anything. A cell phone, the Teslas. Man, that is some crazy, crazy stuff. So here's some video. Show it one more time. Boom! Man, that is crazy. So some people called it the sausage explosive party. Wild, wild stuff. So pagers used as weapons. Wild stuff, man. And man, it really does make you wonder. So with that being said, thank you for tuning into another episode of On the Air with Mark, which is now off air.